Okay, so today we're gonna replace this ceiling light here. As you see, this one works fine. This one is broken. I've already gotten a new one, and now I'm going to show you how we replace it. So the light itself, it's pretty simple, and you see it has 3 wires at the back. And the first thing we want to do to actually get the light out is what I'm going to show you now. First thing you want to do, if we are up in the ceiling, you actually want to turn this one. Once you turn this, we can take it out. So once turned, you can take it out. And next thing you're going to see at the ceiling that we have 2 screws here, which we have to loosen, and then we can unscrew it. Okay, alrighty. So as I said, just turn it like in one direction, and then we can take this one off. And next thing you want to do, you want to loosen these 2 screws just a little bit. And you're going to see in a few seconds why. So they are loosened now. And now we can turn the whole light like so. Oh, it's pretty hefty in there. So let's do it a little bit more. Okay, now you see we can turn it, and all you want to do, just take it out like so. And once we've taken it out, you see we have the 3 wires here, and we're gonna disattach them. Pretty simple process. Although the fuses are off, make sure you are not crossing the wires. And now the old light is off, and we are having the new one. So what I want to do, I actually want to start with the green wire, which is the ground wire. And so we are attaching the ground wire again. And then you can choose either the white one or the black one. Just make sure, of course, that we are using the right ones. So in this case, I'll start with the white one, and then you just screw this one in like so. And then we take the last one, the black wire, and if you're a little bit smaller than me, you might want to use a ladder. I am 6'5", so I'm a walking ladder. So now all is connected, and now we are putting it in again. It's just as simple as that. And just make sure that the wires go all the way in there. And now we reverse the process we had at the beginning. So you see, it's just like this. Just turn it and then fasten it again. And now let's just see if it, and there you go. And now the final thing you want to do, just put this in here. You see with this, and there you go. That's all you have to do, and that's how we changed out the light.